Hey guys, welcome. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Rachel Metz. I'm a DIY YouTuber here, the creator, the one-woman show of Living to DIY. And what that means is living to die. We're all living to die anyways, but I want to show you how to live to do it yourself, be your own boss in any way, shape, or form. So I wanted to bring you in on a little personal slice of my life of what makes me living to DIY too. You may recognize this backdrop. It was my first and only set. But growing these last 2 years with you guys, I've also grown into my space a little bit more. So I want to show you how I DIY'd it and tailored it to not only fit my career, my boyfriend's career as well, but even our home life too. When I first started my channel, I was doing more like hot glue crafts, but as we've progressed and grown as a family, so has my skill set and my interest. And one of them being woodworking, so I built out this set so I could rough it up and have some fun with some power tools. But DIYing isn't just a hobby to me, it's a lifestyle about pursuing your dream. There's no one way or right way to do it, so I'm gonna DIY it as I go along.